Okay, let me introduce our three types of coffee machine. This 3 canister coffee machine, and this is 4 canister and 9 hot drinks, 1 hot water, and this one is 4 canister, 4 hot drinks, 1 hot water. Okay, this one is 3 canisters and 1 hot water. Drinks come down directly, and this is the setting button, increase, decrease. For setting, press this button. Now it's P00 and press, then enter setting, and press increase button and decrease button can change the water and different information, the data. And this one also 4 canister and 1 hot water, and he can mix the coffee, milk, sugar, chocolate, and can mix the 9 hot drinks and 1 hot water. And this one is same 4 canister but not mix, is 4 drinks directly on 1 hot water, like coffee, milk tea, and chocolate, and lemon tea. So it's directly get the drinks, not mix. So 1 touch button get 1 coffee, 1 touch button get 1 milk directly, not mix. So this one and this one is some different, is the software and the drinks button. This is a 10 button, this is a 5 button, and this is a 4 button. So different is like this, and the other setting almost the same. And here have the touch button, setting button for setting price, drinks, and temperature, and the volume of coffee for setting the inside. Okay, let me testing. For example, the touch the drinks. Okay, then finish and testing this machine. This machine you can test. Oh, here we can test here this one, because this one haven't back, so we need to save the data. Here we save, and they press increase button to save. Okay, then back. Okay, and we test. Yeah, can two water, 2 canister mix, 2 canister mix now. Let's drink. Okay, and this one we're testing. For example, this is second drinks. Now all is the hot drinks, no cold. This one, cold is optional for the machine. Okay, is directly 1 drink. So this is our 3 canister machines, different. Here inside, and this one inside, and this one inside. Inside this 2 machines inside is the same, and this one canister.